stuff on the internet you actually need. These food huggers make it so you can easily seal things that don't usually come with a lid, which is way more things than you think when you start to think about it. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, so that's pretty neat.
Super cool product, but here's how they could have made even more money with less work. Visit affiliate-program.amazon.com. Go ahead and sign up and then find an awesome product like this one. The Amazon affiliate program will then give you a very special link that you can stick inside of your IG profile or any social media profile. Now, every time users your link to buy that specific product, you're gonna make 10% commissions paid to you directly by Amazon. Pretty cool. No shipping, no inventory, very little work on your part. But wait, there's more, because 10% commissions is actually very little. There are actually programs out there on internet land where you can make 50% commissions or more on what's called higher price, high ticket products. So that means even more money with less work. That's pretty cool stuff. Want to find out how you can start using this system to make 5 figures a month? Go ahead and follow me on my channel and click the link in my bio for the free training. See you there.